Hello again, traders. Right, this is about the fourth attempt at this. I've not been around the charts much, which is why I've not posted any trades. But when I do get back to the charts, I've had visitors and stuff, and I see something that is important, or I consider important, unusual. I've not talked about before or whatever. I might as well make a video while I'm waiting for all this to light up. So I got back to GJ, or got back to my charts about an hour ago now. Loads of outtakes and interruptions, which is nice. Don't mind that at all. And all this was green, so I opened up, opened up the charts. This is on all my charts, obviously, and GJ was green. So first stop, hourly, see what's going on. Check the time. It was roughly, it wasn't an hour ago, so it was 11 o'clock. And as you can see, the hourly close, and we will have had a perfect looking trade to the short side. Well, I know we did because I looked at it in take one of this, and then my phone went off. So, so we won't worry about that. There is a perfect trade there, but there's perfect trades everywhere. And as I said in the previous video, all you got to do is open your charts on the hour, quarter past the hour, half past the hour, 45 minutes past the hour, and you're liable to find some sort of 1 minute trade at least. And the point of this video is on the 30-minute chart, because obviously, you look at the hour and then you need to look at the 30-minute or the 15-minute and the 30-minute and see how they all looked on the indicators, and that's how we find trades. You know that now. So I noticed this, and this is something I've noticed many times, and it's worth me making videos about them because ultimately it is a whole new strategy, an idea, and they work. And what it is these, and I've talked about this on Twitter occasionally, the arrows themselves are actually, the candles that the arrows are on are significant candles. So I've not mentioned that much. I know that, and I've certainly not made a video about it. But much the same as every candle that has a Rebel 3CR on it will have significance too, because it's broken a resistance level or a support level in the terms of the downward movements. So they're important candles to look at, and the highs and lows in them. So because naturally, if a candle has created momentum and a move, price movement, momentum movement, whatever you want to classify it as, then it is naturally something of importance. So what's happened, we've got this candle here with the arrow, 30-minute candle, price tests and tests and tests, and then eventually breaks out. So, how can we time that entry? Well, we've already got our timing, but we drop down to the lower time frames and see what they tell us. And the high of the candle was actually a bit higher. Let's do this properly, because all these blue levels are just thrown on the charts. Let's put a resistance level on the top of that candle, and then get down to M5 and see how it actually did cause price to mess about. And there you are, a close through it, which is coincidentally with a internal 3CR, and then what happens? We get a little pullback. You can look at it on the minute. And zoom out. So there's our break and close. There's the instant pullback that I talk about all the time. And then we get a new close above it, and look, price doesn't look back. So that is precision system trading, which is what I do. It's what I teach, what I preach. Break, pullback. I said only yesterday on Twitter that every candle, even the 1 minute, will most likely give you a pullback. And how do we know when that pullback's over? When the momentum comes back in. So we don't really have to wait for a break and close at this stage on the 1 minute. but just as long as it's turned green. But you decide what level of importance you place on that last, the final time frame, as it were, 1 minute time frame entry. But what's this move? It's let's say we took it on the first green bar close there, or because if it's green, all you got to wait for is the break, really. But the close would be better. Oh, good morning. Sorry about that. That was an old alarm I set for the new strategy is timing candle closes with using the clock alarm. So yeah, from the close of that candle, 15 pips, 14.6 pips less the spread. Now, I only want 10, 12, 13, whatever. First level. This will have hit a level of supply above. So first area where there might be sellers at any level of supply or resistance. As long as I've got all green on the way up, I'm happy. So that's it, guys. That's your target, and essentially the drawdown on that one little candle there was 1 pip. So there you have it. That's a new observation that I've noticed in the past, but never made a video about. So my lack of trades due to interruptions and just general life is a good time to make videos. So see, by using the lower time frame, we didn't get faked in. Oh, and the other thing to talk about on this, obviously, is all the other corresponding stuff internal. So you're not trading breakouts or anything stupid like that. You're trading 100% system trades. 2B reversal there. Zoom in. That's VIX low. That's the break through the low. And these are the candles that you want to be trading off. So you've got that level is significant, talking about this red high here, not only on that 1 minute entry there for 10 pips, if you're happy with 6, 5, 6, 6, I think Mike likes 6, so the commission is paid for. So let's say 6 pips, that was 10, wasn't it? And then, we come back down, fail to make a new low. This is its own 2B reversal here anyway, on the 5 minute, but we'll just stay on the 5 minute. Fails to make a new low. Oh, and there's 3CR here, 3CR here. Fails to make a new low, so there's no selling conviction at all. And then up again. So we've had effectively 2 trades to test that level that will have been potentially perfect setups on the M1, and finally breaks through it. And as I said earlier, just the M1, that is our line drawn on that new observation, well, new revealed observation on a 30-minute candle. So what can I say, really? We're trading every candle for a variety of reasons. Really all because of what Vic showed me on the 2B reversals. Not literally, personally showed me, but what Vic published. And that's all you need. That's a 2B. That's a 2B. He also did the 1, 2, 3. So, you got your 1, 2, 3s there, which is actually a 2B also. And it's just never ending. But momentum leads the way. While that's all green on the higher time frame, you're good to go. Which it is on the higher time frame. Obviously, that's the 15-minute time frame. And go on the 15, and effectively it's the hourly time frame. So, and no brainer. You don't want to be going, even considering longs when it's red, but all of that, those two movements, were when it was green. And here, just that one pullback bar there. How can you not become a good, a good trader by just following these rules? All you are required to do now as a follower of this stuff is make sure you don't trade when it's grey or red in longs and the other way around in shorts. Anyway, my coffee's getting cold, so I hope this has some more value to you. I've not taken that many trades today because I've not been in front of my charts and just not had a chance. But it's good to make videos like this. And if it helps, it helps. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.